How to see and find your data on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy. Go to Google Maps. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, and now scroll down like this and click on your data in Maps here, and it will take you here. Now you will find all your data right here: location history, web and app activity, add personalization, download your maps data if you want from here, as you can see. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.